everyone. Happy Wednesday. Cheers. Salut. Big shout out to my Wimbledon mug, by the way. I feel like this is in all of my videos, as it should be. Anyway,
Hey, what up, girl?
today's video is stressing me out, truth be told. Me and Lee and I rather, are going to Croatia tomorrow. Well, we're going, our flight's at 6 on Friday, but I can't pack tomorrow because I've got other things to do. So today is a pack with me video, hence the title. I've left it ever so last minute and I am getting sort of stressed. Ignore my hair, but today I'm just going to be doing a simple pack with me. I've still got stuff that I need to buy tomorrow and I've still got stuff that's in the post. That hasn't come yet. Stop doing the peace sign. So all is well, everything will be fine. We just need to jump straight into it. So let's go. Also, Lee and I don't have checked baggage, so we only have hand luggage. So this is all I can bring. In all fairness, it does look big on camera, but you've got to think I'm taking outfits day and night. I'm taking toiletries, of which I can't have over 100ml, makeup, of which I can't have over 100ml. I've got to get shoes in there. I've got to get my camera stuff because I'm bringing you guys, well, obviously. My hair stuff. I bought a waiver. That still doesn't come in the post. Let's just pack. I'm not going to show you my outfits because you're going to have to wait and see. But this is what I'm bringing. Slay! I'm now. Hence the vibes, like the blue, orange, white sort of thing. That's fun. So yeah, Lee and I are going to Croatia, which is going to be so fun and fresh. Neither of us have been there before. Weather forecast is saying, why am I packing that as my airport outfit? Oh my gosh! Yeah, the weather forecast is saying it's not going to be too fun nor fresh, so there's that. It's supposed to be raining. We're there from the, yeah, I've got loads of last minute stuff that I need to do. I want to go to sunbed today, but I think tomorrow I'm going to go get some of that Garnier like tan moisturiser because I've got tan dysmorphia. And I'll get my eyebrows and eyelashes done. Ignore that. My eyebrows and eyelashes done tomorrow, thank the effing Lord. I don't know if you can see. Oh my god, the eyebrows need some serious help. Also, my eyelids get really greasy and disgusting and oily, so that's why my eyeliner is. So yeah, my vibes really for this holiday is sort of like oranges and blues. I've got some like metallics, because I feel like that's in at the moment. I want to take these 2 pairs of shoes with me. First of all, I don't want to talk about these. I can't walk in them, they're scary. And also, they're going to get squished and ruined. I want some makeup. I have to figure out how I'm going to get all of this into, maybe that's a bit excessive. That's kind of small. I always used to think that was bigger. And obviously I can't have anything over 100ml. I keep looking at things like this size and thinking, is that 100ml? No, obviously not. Okay, hold on. So I've got face, concealer, mascara, eyeliner, highlighter, blush, and then a bronzer. Then I've covered all bases. Dinner has been eaten. Change of scenery. We're in the bathroom. I'm filling up these bad boys. Little travel thingies. I think these are from Primark. These are my mum's and I've stolen them. Turns out my sun cream is less than 100ml, so that's fine. All I need is my moisturiser, my micellar water, and my face wash. I might take like a body moisturiser as well. Put it in one of these like squirt things. Oh no, alright. This one I'm probably going to use for this little water. It's going to fill her up. I need to take cotton pads as well. I was going to do like a Boots shop at the airport, but truth be told, I can't be bothered. I'm going to fill this all the way up because I guarantee you that Lee will forget my soda water. Or he'll ask me if I can use mine. Just put that over. That'll be enough, huh? I've literally there for 3 days. I need to get a grip. I need to get a serious grip from reality. Do you reckon? Yeah. I'm going to use these little minis for my face moisturiser, and then I'm going to use this big one for my body moisturiser. You know. So cute. What else do I need? I'm not going to take it. I got sent this from Bondi Sands today. It's a reusable double-sided mitt. That's gorgeous. Oh, it's like fun on the inside. That's fun. Thank you, Bondi Sands. Anyway, enough of that. It came in this thing. I might put my jewellery in there. I feel like that's a good shout. Belly chain. Although, is it going to get tangled? I feel like it's going to get tangled regardless. C'est la vie. Right, come and take a seat over here with me and we'll do jewellery. Okay, I'm not doing anything too crazy jewellery-wise, mainly because I can't be bothered. But I think I'm going to do my pearls and then my e-necklace. Can you hear Mum? I go play music. This is so going to get really tangled. No. It's a problem for another day. My starfish necklace. Hello. So cute. Starfish is super obsessed with them recently. They're my faves. What else do I want to bring? My big earrings. These bad boys. A simple hoop. My rings I'll have on, so that's fine. You'll see them. Where did I put my other earrings? This is my little earring box. I think I'm gonna take these cuties. Again, a little starfish sort of vibe. They're definitely gonna break in there, but there we go. Let me see. Cute. Guess what? More starfishes. Starfishes are gonna be the thing this year. And I'm gonna be the first one. The first ever. Sunglasses, I feel like I'm gonna stick to 2 pairs. I'm gonna do orange, because quite a lot of my outfits are orange. And then I think I'm just gonna do my classic Ray-Ban style girlies, just because they go with everything. It's just easier. Am I even recording? Yes, fantastic. Right, let me tick these off the list, bear with. My camera charger, my phone light that is currently clipped onto you will be sort of like the last things that I pick because I need to charge them. Plug adapter. I don't know what plug adapters they use in Croatia. Far out. Just a European one, surely. Don't know, we'll find that out. Tripod, my little baby tripod. Got that. Tick. A little mini handbag, my beach bag. Lip balm, lip liner, lip gloss. I've got lip gloss. My bank card, my passport. Where's my passport? In fact, actually, I might just say goodbye now. All I need is the boring stuff, like a book. I'm gonna take Call Me By Your Name, just in case anyone's wondering. My AirPods, cotton pads, that's all boring stuff. So that's it, and then underwear. So thank you guys for watching. This was so chaotic. If you're stressed, me too. So fun. But I will see you in Croatia. You better watch. You better be there. Just kidding. Anyway, bye.